At Niksi Construction, we pride ourselves on our quality builds and professional finishes. We can build you that dream home, and we can work on commercial properties as well.
Our in-house team consists of architects, designers, construction teams, and a cabinet factory. We're a one-stop shop, so you don't need to hire a slew of companies to help you build your house. We can do it all.
With everything in-house, we can schedule efficiently and keep the schedule moving without delay. That means your house gets built quicker, and we can keep costs down without any overages.
With over 100 properties completed in the past few years, Niksi is one of the fastest growing construction companies in Arizona.
We have many crews available. Our team will take care of the permits so our construction crews can go out and break ground quickly.
Contact us today at Niksi and we'll sit down with you to discuss your project. It'll be worth the meeting because we'd love to help you build your house or commercial property. Tell them Lisa sent you.